You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. This is a family of vegetables or foods or plants. If you want to learn more names of various plants, more English vocabulary and pronunciation, stay tuned, you found the right channel. Let's get right into it. Cruciferous. Yes, it's how you pronounce it. So cruciferous. Cruciferous. Now, some may pronounce it with more of a schwa sound. Cruciferous. It's kind of fine, but it's normally cruciferous. Now, some may skip the f syllable and go cruciferous, right? Especially the American pronunciation, cruciferous. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.